I am so excited to show you Dotted Duos. Now this is Dotted Duos number 2, which means of course there's a Dotted Duos number 1, but we've never had kind of a basic paper collection at Hot Off the Press, and now we do. So as always, you are going to have an insert and you're going to get scrapbook pages, you're going to get card ideas, and you're going to see all the other goodies that can go with this. Now, in the Dotted Duos, we're going to get in close, and this collection has more pastel colors. So every sheet has a mini dot on one side, just like this. And when I flip it over, you're going to see the same pink with larger white dots. So that's what's going to happen on every single one. What's going to go with this? Well, let me flip it back over. And you can see that pink ribbons are going to go with it. And I really like the contrast of the darker pink ones, so that's going to be fun. Now we're going to go to the second sheet, which is a lavender. Again, small dots on one side and larger dots on the other. What's going to go with this? Well, of course, our purple ribbons are going to be so much fun. There's even a sheer dotted ribbon if you don't have enough already of the dots. Let me see. We have a cream, and this is so pretty, so useful. And again, the mini dots on one side, the bigger dots on the other. Now, our cream ribbon is going to go, but I think also the white ribbon could work too. Just depends on what you want. Now we have this coral paper, and as you know, small dots on one side, larger dots on the other. It's going to go with our orange ribbons. Now, some of these will clash, but some of them will work perfectly. Again, the white ribbon is always going to work, don't you think? Now, let's go into our light blue. Now, the light blue, small dot on one side, larger on the other, is going to go, of course, with our blue ribbon. Yes, it's going to go perfectly. Then we have a teal. Really nice to have this. Small dot, big dot. And with this, yes, you've got it. We've got our teal ribbons, so that's going to work perfectly. Now, let me show you all of these just like so. So you can see that these are all pastel colors, and it's going to work really, really nicely. Now let me show you a card. And what Lene said, Lene was really the driving force behind these, and she says that she thinks dots are just always happy, and it really shows it on this card. This is a brand new cutting die called Happy Trails. So you've got the camper, you've got all the pieces, and you can see how Lene has cut this die multiple times out of different papers. And there is a fence that goes with that, and that works so nicely. And she even added, so she's got the pink and the teal and the coral and black cardstock and white cardstock on this. So just really fun. And this is really is happy, isn't it? Now her scrapbook page is also happy. And you can see what she's done. She's done the pink on the middle and the teal on the outside, but she's also used a blue, and she's played with her dots, which I think is really fun. She also added a paper doily. These are the 4-inch paper doilies, some white flowers, and the blue ribbons right there, as well as matting her photo first on white and then on the larger dot. And then she's die cut some circles and also added some of the sparklets. So, and this is the pink flourish out of the jewels from American Crafts. So really nice. The flowers are from 49th and Market. And again, it's really a happy project. So you have it. We're going to have Dotted Duos number 2. Look over on Dotted Duos number 1 and see what's happening there.